So I hope you all are fine. So today I'm going to teach you 1 to 10. So this is 1. So we have 1 apple. So this is 1 apple. And we have 2. So we have 2 fish. 2 fish. We have 3 balls. We have 3 balls. One, two, three. We have 4. So I'm gonna draw 4 butterflies. 4 butterflies.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Now I'm gonna write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5 ice cream cone. Ice cream cone. So you tell me guys, which flavor is your favorite in ice cream? I really like chocolate flavor. What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2.
So we have 1 apple, 2 fish, 3 balls, 4 butterflies, and 5 ice cream cones. After 5 we have 6. 6. I'm gonna draw 6 lollipops. 6 lollipops. 7 stars. 7 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 stars. Up to 7, this is 8. 8. I'm gonna draw 8 eggs. We have 8 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 eggs. Now we have 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm gonna draw 9 oranges. 9 oranges. 9 oranges. After 9 we have 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm gonna draw 10 flowers. These are beautiful 10 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. No, these are only 9. We have to draw one more. So complete it. 10 flowers. So we have 6 lollipops, 7 stars, 8 eggs, 9 oranges, and 10 flowers. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then do subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye kids.